Hey friends, if you encounter the issue one or more audio services isn't running on a Windows device, then please watch this video. Actually, there's just one audio service. So here's what you have to do. Search for services in the Windows search bar and open services. Scroll down to the Windows audio service. Right click on it. If it is stopped, then click on start. If it is started, then click on restart. Okay. The next solution is to update the audio drivers. Search for Device Manager in the Windows search bar and open Device Manager. Expand the list for audio drivers. Right click on the first one and select Update Driver and search automatically for drivers. Second one, Update Driver and search automatically for drivers. And the third one, Update the drivers. And then click on Scan for hardware changes. If this doesn't help, then right click on it and select Uninstall Device for all three of them. And then again scan for hardware changes. This will surely fix your problem. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.